This video shows you how to add extensions and assign them to profiles. First, go to the Extensions section from the left navigation bar. You can add extensions by uploading a package for your self-developed extension, or by entering the extension URL from the Chrome store. Here, select an existing group or create a new group for your extension to better manage and assign extensions to profiles. Additionally, you can choose whether to pin the extension in the profile and hide it from specific member groups so they won't be able to see it. Once the extension is successfully added, you can update, edit, set its group, or delete it. There is another way to add extensions. You can also browse and add extensions from our marketplace. The setup steps are the same as described above. In Group Settings, you can view and edit groups. You'll also see which profiles are already assigned to each group. In addition, I recommend that you enable security protection to prevent members from tampering with your extension. Next, you'll need to edit the profile. Go to Advanced, assign the extension group you want it to use. You can also batch assign extension groups to multiple profiles at once. Once configured, open the profile, and you'll see the corresponding extensions in the browser.